The purpose of this video is to inform parents about the developmental benefits young children derive from creative expression in early childhood classroom. The video mainly focuses on the developmental benefits young children gain from two forms of creative expression. First of all, creativity and creative expression goes hand in hand. It is as normal and essential for children as the air we breathe. Children who are exposed to creative expressions are more likely to have a fruitful and unforgettable childhood. Exposing children to creative experiences can lay the foundation for a lifetime of creative expressions, as well as helping them to develop their learning skills in the long run. However, participation in a range of activities that allow for creative and imaginative expression, such as visual art, drama, music, and creative movement, are what we refer to as creative expression. As mentioned before, creative expression can be in the form of visual arts, dance, music, and dramatic play. However, for now, we are going to focus on the benefit children develop from two forms of creative expression. They are visual art, through the use of a variety of art mediums, dramatic play, being allowed to engage in fantasy or dramatic play. Visual art. It's a known fact that children like to color, draw, dip their finger in paint, or squeeze Play-Doh to create images. Children who participate in visual art activities seem happier when they have access to art materials and supplies than when they are denied the opportunity to partake in visual art activities. According to dictionary.com, visual arts are arts created primarily for visual perception, such as drawing, graphics, painting, sculpture, and the decorative arts. To put it simple, visual arts are creation we look at, right? They tend to be more permanent, such as photograph, film, printmaking, drawing, painting, and sculpting. Visual arts can help children to develop in many domains. There are some ways that visual art can benefit children by helping them to develop holistically. For instance, it can help them with their physical development by using crayons, marker, paintbrushes, mixing paints, finger painting, and using scissors to cut paper can help children develop their small and large muscle. In other words, they are developing their fine motor skills. Visual art also encourages cooperation amongst children. It improves their socialization skills, encourages them to share, and also teaches them to clean after themselves. Here, it is fostering social development. Visual art can also help develop children's cognitive development. For instance, it can help children develop various skills such as their cognitive skill by learning the names of shapes and colors, their observation skills, watching and drawing an object after they have studied that object, example, a leaf, their exploration skills, investigating what happens when two primary colors are mixed together to create a secondary color. It also helps with their emotional skills by expressing emotion through drawing. Visual arts helps children with their imagination as well as their experimentation. For example, children can express their imagination through art, and they can also find new ways to experiment in visual art. For instance, learning new ways to paint by using multiple paint brushes at once. Also, they can experiment by dipping various objects into paints and pressing them on paper to see what happens. In conclusion, visual arts can help children with their development. And it is very important for us, especially early practitioners, to keep in mind children development when planning any activities. Dramatic play. Dramatic play supports the development of children when they participate in dramatic plays, right? By allowing children to engage in fantasy and dramatic play, play enhances their development by making them aware of their own emotion. It builds their social skill and enhances their problem solving skill. Dramatic play also supports development. For instance, it supports their physical development by putting on costume, manipulating and practicing hand-eye coordination. Children's small and large muscles are developed. Again, here they are developing their fine motor skill. It also fosters language development. Dramatic play fosters early literacy and writing skills when children are using language to relate the roles by answering and asking questions. It also helps with their social development. Children develop socially and emotionally when they are cooperating to carry out a play, negotiating different roles and acting out roles and situations that may occur. It gives them a sense of freedom to express their feeling that they may not be able to communicate about. It also fosters cognitive development. The more children engage in dramatic play, the more they learn to be organized and express ideas, find creative solutions to solve problems, think about and act out stories. In conclusion, dramatic play is important in child development. Through pretend play, children learn about the world and themselves. Dramatic play also helps them to discover their likes and dislikes, their interests and their abilities. They experiment with role playing to help them make sense of what they have learned or observed. In conclusion, creative expression engages the mind of children as well as their senses and bodies. It encourages them to observe, listen, discuss, move about, solve problems, and enhances their creativity. However, creative expression plays a vital part in developing children's emotional, social, cognitive, and multisensory skills. Thank you for listening.